All right, my beautiful friends, it is Saturday, April 20th, 2019, my newest segment of Markets, a lovely look ahead. Let's put a few things into perspective. Let's start off with this. Not too many people talking about the bond market these days, although I know you follow it because you know I follow it. And let's look at this. The 6 month is still paying more than the 1 year, the 2 year, the 3 year, the 5 year, and is actually paying slightly more than the 7 year. This is not a healthy yield curve. However, where do you think people are going to put cash to work? In the bond market? Or do you still believe because of where rates are or yields are, cash is going to continue to make its way into this hyper ridiculously super inflated stock market? Well, if you picked the latter, you're 100% right. That's where we are going. There's also this IPO mania that is going on. There's something else going on there too. I won't get into it right now with regard to how these are being priced by the underwriters. They're making a fortune off of it. This is a scheme too. However, this is not new. We witnessed the same thing during the dot-com bubble. The current bubble that we are in with regard to equities is kind of a manifestation or a crystallization of every single other bubble we have ever experienced wrapped up into one bubble. There's nothing like it. In the history of the world have we ever seen anything like it. And again, understand, yeah, Greg here is bullish with regard to the stock market in the short term. And I mean, beginning on Monday, I still am bullish here. If you go to my website, traderschoice.net, there is a lovely link in the description of this video. Upper right-hand corner, it says long. Yeah, I think this market's going to gain this week, barring a black swan event. There's nowhere to go. Where's cash going to move? If we got rates where I just showed you, should it be going into suppressed assets? Absolutely. Will it go there? No. Why? Because this remains a risk-on environment. You know, and I'll tell you something else. I'm bullish here with regard to cryptocurrencies. I've outlined this several months ago when Bitcoin hit 3,500. I said I was bullish on it. I'm bullish on it. There's no doubt about it. I'm not investing in cryptocurrencies right now. I'm not. I am an equity derivatives trader. That's what I am. And I feel comfortable there. I understand that aspect of the market, I think, very clearly. Anyway, so let's just kind of sum this up real quick. Gauging from where yields are right now, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward to me to see where cash is going to move. It's a risk-on environment. Now, we got this Mueller report thing out of the way. I mean, there's all talk. I mean, if you were to follow the mainstream financial channels, again, they're not going to let it go. It's a method of distraction. It's a method of division. That's all it is. Divide and conquer. The two-party system is, frankly, well, it's an abomination. It's the truth. It's meant to divide, not to unite. Because if we unite, we gain power. We gain strength. If they keep us divided, we stay weak. We point fingers. You understand? Ignore it all. If you're falling into that trap by watching another YouTube channel that's pulling you that way, or the mainstream financial channels, or because they're doing the same thing. Republicans, you know, they're going to make the market go higher. Democrats, they're going to make the market go lower. Ignore it all. Ignore every single bit of it. And stay in the middle. Find the middle ground. The balance. The balance is always in the middle. You understand? That's where you need to be. Push all of the negativity out. Don't even allow yourself to get caught up in it in any way, shape, or form. It will poison your soul. It will. It will poison you. So with that said, it's pretty straightforward. The environment we are in remains risk on. Period. It's that simple. You witnessed what they did on Friday, and you can still see it. There's a link in the description of this video, which will take you to my website, traderschoice.net. Just take a second. Literally, if you've never looked at a chart before, it doesn't matter. You will be able to see this. The bond market chart, right side of the page, you're going to see a huge amount of buying in bonds. So we had a simultaneous rally Friday, stock market rally, bond market rally. It's an unnatural state, okay? It is. It's either the bond market is right or the stock market is right. You can't have both being right here. You understand? The bond market, because it is the largest aspect of these markets by exponents, has proven historically to be right 100% of the time. It's never been wrong. So just by looking at the bond market, we can see where we're going and what's coming down the pike. It's that simple. And for now, the game remains risk on. And you and I are going to shred the face off of this like you have no idea. It's the truth. It's just going to happen. There's no doubt about it. My year in trading so far started out kind of iffy, but if you've been following my trades, you've known how well I've done. And to say the least, I'm having a good year. With that said, I'm going to let you all go. This guy loves you. Have a great Easter Sunday. Enjoy life. And I'm going to go pick some weeds out of my yard. I'll see you Monday.